I'm going to learn how to make a short. So these are the mugs. I made my niece one. Is this not cool? I don't think anyone at her workplace could claim this mug. No more disappearing mugs. And my sister Kathy. When she was a young mother, I never saw her without a cup of coffee. Of course, we're much older now, and I don't think she drinks nearly as much, and it's funny because I never drank coffee till I was 57. I broke this one putting it in the press, so I managed to get it print all the way around because there was no handle, and my husband went ahead and glued it on. She may not be able to use it. The handle might come off when she goes to clean it. It is Gorilla Glue, we'll see. But just make sure I made her to. So this will probably be too long for the shorts. My problem is I always get too far over. I'm getting better. I keep practicing. So Kathy, if you watch it, here's a mug for you. I just got to get it mailed out. Love you. Bye-bye.